Hello student, today we are going to solve this statement. What this statement say? Write a microcontroller 8051 program to get hex data in the range of 00F 002FF data in the range from port 0. There is a port 0 in microcontroller. From there we are going to take this data 002F range 002FF. This is your hexadecimal number, and they want to convert. We want to write a program that will convert this data. Suppose we have taken any data. Suppose we have taken C, F, any data we have taken, and we need to convert in decimal number. Now let us see what is the decimal equivalent of this one. Now go to calculator, the data we have taken. Now give your hex. Now give CF and then change to decimal. The number is 207. The number we got it 207, and in 207 it is saying that move and save it at R7 place, this at R6, and this at R5. We need to store. This is how we need to work out. Now how we are going to do, let us see. Now we have 200 with 207 with us. 207. Now we are going to divide with 10. 10 20 jar, it is going to give me 200, and this is will be your remainder. Now see, this is content of A and this is content of B. Now this is the least significant part, and this we are going to store at R7, and again we are going to load B with 10, and again we are going to perform division with division AB. Now A is having 20, now B is having 10. 10 divided by 20, this is going to give me 2, and this is A and this is B. This I am going to store in R6, and this I am going to, this A command we are going to store in R5. Now let me delete this data, and we are going to write the program. Now if I start writing from here, I am going to start the writing program. Now move A, comma, the number that has 0. Which number we have taken? We have taken the CF. This is the number that we have taken, CF at. Now move this to port 0, port 0, comma A, and then again from port 0 we are taking this data to accumulator, and this is the port O I have taken. It must be 0. This is the thing we have done. We have loaded the data, this CF, in accumulator. Now we are loading B. Move B with the number. We are loading B with number 10. That will be the decimal number, and perform the division operation. Division A B. Now after dividing, move the content of B to R7, and again load B with the value 10, and then after perform division AB, and now move the content of B to R6 to B, and move the content of A to R5, and then N. This is your program that we have written. Now what we have done in this program, let us see once again. Now here I have taken the data, put in accumulator, and from accumulator we have given to miss, we need to provide from the port 0, but here for the programming purpose we are from accumulator we cannot give directly to port 0. So from port 0 to we are giving to port A, means A accumulator, and then we are loading B with 10. Now we have loaded A with CF or 207. Now we have loaded B with 10. Now we will be dividing. The quotient will be 20 and the remainder will be 10. This is the least significant. This, after division operation, this we have stored in R7, and again we have loaded B. This is your B. Again we have loaded with 10, and accumulator content is 20. Now 20, this will be 0. Now this we have stored in R6, and this accumulator we have stored in R5. Now let us erase this one, and we are going to run this program. Now let us run this program. First compile it. Now we have done the compilation. Go to run command and see, this is your 2007. 2, the second bit is, now what was the bit our we got it, 207. This is first number is 200 is second number, and third number is 07. This is what we have done. Now if I change some other number, now suppose I am changing some other number, any number we can put. Now let me put any number. Now I am taking FE, and if you want to see, go to calculator, what is the value of FE. Now go to hex, write FE, and then decimal value will be 254, 254. Our answer must be 2. Then let me write the answer. Now let us delete all this one. Now this time I have taken FE, which is 254. Now answer will be 2, 5 and 4. 4 will be at R7. This will be at R6, and this will be at R2, R5. Now run this one. If I first compile it, and if I run this one, 254, we got it. Now if you want to see the step wise, then see, in first step the FE has been loaded to A, and now this time we are going to go to port A, and then port A to A again. Now B has been loaded with 10. Now there will be division. So when after dividing 10 by the following value, we are going to get this value. And now 254, 250 is the percent, and 4 is the remainder, and that remainder is going to go to R7. See, R7 has got 4, and here it will be 4. Now if I again be content with 10, now again division operation will take, the accumulator will be 2, the quotient, and this is your 5, the remainder, and this 5 has been sent to R6 after doing, it will be sent to R6, or here also same place, and after doing this one R5, it has sent to R5. So this is all about about this problem that we have got.